all about what's right, fair, and just.
A grand jury deciding to indict a fired North Texas police officer on a murder charge in the shooting death of a teenage boy. And you just heard the Dallas County District Attorney promising to fight for all Dallas County residents. Good afternoon, Monday. Good to have you. I'm Doug Dunbar.
And I'm Kaylee O'Kelly. The murder indictment of Roy Oliver is the first in decades against an officer who opened fire while on duty. Oliver is charged with murder for the death of 15-year-old Jordan Edwards. Our Steve Pickett live in Dallas with today's grand jury decision.
And their parents, the parents of Jordan Edwards, were in that room with DA Faith Johnson when she vigorously promised to prosecute a former police officer while on the job, doing his job. That officer now accused of murder in doing that job, firing that weapon. As you mentioned, Roy Oliver, the officer in question, a former Balk Springs officer. Investigators said fired shots at a car leaving a house party. This is back in April of this year. Those shots killing 15-year-old Jordan Edwards. Prosecutors all along described the shooting as murder, but a grand jury had not indicted a law enforcement officer, an on-duty officer of that kind of a charge in this county since the 1970s. Today, DA Faith Johnson said the case against the fired officer is all about fairness for all, and the prosecution of Oliver is based on the evidence against him. Jordan Edwards' parents and their attorney said the indictment gives them some faith in the justice system.
He makes us feel hopeful, but you're still going to sit on the edge of your seats wondering what's going to happen when you go to trial.
There's no question now in my mind whether or not he's going to get locked up. I can't tell you what he's going to get locked up on, and I can't tell you how much time he's going to be locked up for, but it's too much to overcome.
And part of this overall indictment includes 4 counts of aggravated assault on top of that murder charge. The 4 counts come from 4 other individuals in that car, 2 of them being Jordan's brothers and 2 other teenagers. All of them, according to this indictment, were aggravated assault victims by this former officer. But the primary case is murder. Reporting live, Steve Pickett, CBS 11 News.